Dubrovnik Airport, also known as Čilipi Airport, is located about 15 kilometers southeast of Dubrovnik, Croatia. The airport originally opened in 1960, coinciding with the rise of tourism in the region. It has since become an important hub, especially during the summer tourist season. The approach to Dubrovnik Airport DBV is renowned for its scenic yet challenging conditions, especially due to its proximity to mountainous terrain and the Adriatic Sea. Today we will be flying from Copenhagen International Airport in Denmark, the largest airport in the Nordic region. The views include the iconic Øresund Bridge connecting the two countries, and on clear days, passengers can see both Copenhagen's skyline and the Swedish coast. Microsoft Flight Simulator, enhanced by the state of aircraft, enables us to enjoy the most realistic graphics in our flight, with payware sceneries and add-ons. Prepare for our beautiful departure over the beautiful iconic view over the city of Copenhagen.
May I see your boarding pass, please?
Welcome on board. When you have
Hello.
found your seat, may we ask you to step aside to let those behind you pass.
Hello, Captain. We are ready for pushback.
We will now perform a safety demonstration. Please remove your headsets and pay close attention. You will find a summary of the information on the safety on board card in your seat pocket.
Starting engine 2.
Your seatbelt is fastened and opened like this. Always keep it fastened whenever the seatbelt sign is on. We recommend that you keep it fastened during the entire flight. If oxygen is needed, a panel above you will open and masks will appear.
Starting engine 1.
You will find your life vest under your seat, pull the vest over your head and pass the strap around your waist. Fasten the buckle and tighten strap. When leaving through the exit, inflate the vest by pulling the tab. The inflation can be adjusted by using the mouthpiece. The emergency exits are located in the aft, over the wings and in the forward part of the cabin. They are all marked with illuminated signs. Lights in the aisle will guide you to the exits. Look for your nearest exit as it may be located behind you. You are welcome to use electronic devices as long as flight mode is activated during the entire flight. If you are charging electronic equipment, be sure to monitor your device during charging. Contact a crew member if your device is hot or produces smoke. Smoking and the use of electronic cigarettes is not allowed on SAS flights, including in the lavatories. The crew is on board for your safety. We expect you to follow our instructions during the flight. We wish you a pleasant flight.
Request takeoff clearance.
Tower, ready for departure. Cleared for departure.
Cabin crew, take your seats.
Checked. V1. Rotate. Positive climb.
Gear up.
Gear up. Stow your cabin baggage and your laptop under the seat in front of you.
below, for example a laptop, must be safely stored in your cabin baggage. Cabin baggage must be placed either under the seat in front of you or in the overhead compartment. Please raise your seat back and table to the upright position. Furthermore, the window shades must be open.
Gear down.
Flaps full.
Speed checked. Flaps full.
Above. Minimum 500. Retard. 5.
Welcome to Copenhagen, local time. We are now approaching 5 minutes to 1, and where we've landed ahead of schedule time. For safety reasons, please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened. Keep your seatbelt tables upright, escape routes free of cabin baggage until the fasten seatbelt sign has been switched off. Please be careful when opening the overhead compartments as cabin baggage may fall out. Before leaving us, please make sure you